welcome back to another day. All these baby hairs that always irritates me. So we are going to, what's the place name? Magic Lawns, where Lincoln can feed the bugs, and it is bugs, right?
Goats.
Oh, goats. Sorry. My bad. Goats.
Animals.
Yes, it's like a touch farm animal thing. These people are watching me like I'm crazy. But we are going there and I'm so excited because Lincoln was like a very small baby when we went there. So he didn't really interact with the animals, but now he's like an animal fan, so I think that's gonna be interesting and I will vlog the whole experience. And then we are just gonna have a chill day at home further, but I must clean the house before the week starts because it doesn't look nice in there. It's like, it's not very dirty. The floor is watermelon all over because Lincoln eats watermelon in the house. I don't know why, but he's like 12 years old and my mom said I mustn't eat watermelon outside, and he's like 1 year old and he eats watermelon inside the house. So we must change that habit. And then just everything is just standing around, so we must do that. But first we're gonna do the zoo thingy and then we'll go back home. Kan je weer zo smile? Jy smile! Okay, Dada's gonna put you in. I'm gonna climb in your pram. Are you gonna look at the animals? Feed the goats. Do you wanna feed the goats? And the sheep? You feed the sheep and the goats? Okay. Smile! Look at that smile!
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night.
Is it this fizzy?
Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine the way that
It's goats. What do you think about the goats? You can touch them. Yes. Hi. Oh goodness. Here you go. Welcome, Maria.
Doesn't even make sense.
Do you want a piece of bread, Babas? But you must give it to the goats. It was freaking harvest as well.
Only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna die.
Is it this?
dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into we'll be alright. So let me down, rather we try, gonna let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
Kızıkta.
Yapalım. Okey. Hadi gitti.
Aksık.
Baby, it's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. 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 Someday you will meet the one who will put you on a throne, will put you on a throne. And I will go out on my own to see the world again. But until then, just let me love you. 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 Just let me love you.
Oh. Kijk hier links. Sorry. Grof actually.
Kijk dit. Wat is
Heb jij hem gepakt?
Ja. Kijk even dit.
Kijk die baby. I like it. I'll give you one. Hi guys, welcome back. So it is the next day, and we're just getting ready. We spring cleaned the house, but then Lincoln fell asleep for his nap. There he is. And so I couldn't wash the floors or vacuum it. So I must still do that and wash the dishes. Plans for the day, I know spring cleaning was one of it, and I want to do one TikTok. Okay, so what does Lincoln want to do today? I think we must I think we must draw on this painting again. That was really fun and you loved it, and we can actually play in the mud because it is pleasure. Are you gonna climb off? Okay. So I think we must do that, right? My schooner. No, you. You can't put shoes in your mouth. That's very dirty. Sorry, Baba, did you get a fright? What is that? Yeah, I've seen. Oh, good. It's actually so interesting that he goes some places and then something just
Push it. Let's see. Oh, there's no batteries. It's dead. This one? Oh, it doesn't.
Oh, yes.
He's gonna be afraid of it.
I'm afraid of it, but we can show it to him. There he goes.
It's a gum.
Wait, I want to see his face.
Stand like this. Here. Look, mommy's gonna see it.
Bobbelie. En daar die dingetjes moet wys, né? Oh, en Peppa Pig. This one? Is not happy. He enjoyed himself in that freaking China shop like crazy. Shame about that face when his dad tickled his head with that thing. Hi guys, it is a few minutes later, so birds. So we are back home and Monet is making food. It is so extremely warm outside. It's very warm, but the sun is setting, so we can play actually outside, and the floor is cooling down, so that's good. Lincoln is gonna draw. Lincoln, right. Yeah. Don't play with the tripod. No playing tripod. Yeah. What do you want to say? Ba. Da. Lincoln, can you say tata? Tata. Okay, so Lincoln did his part. He said tata for you guys. Bye. Tata tata. The mosquitoes are eating away like crazy. They are biting me. He's coming in. We're gonna eat and we're gonna end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Please consider to subscribe and hit that like button. And yeah, stay safe and be grateful of life.